Okay, so we're going to discuss how the Ephraim tribe is a race biological formula. We're going to call it sex gender. All right, and I believe if you pick up the book of Noam Chomsky about language, you'll learn a lot more about it. I've learned that the Quran has taught me so much about looking at one's race not only by skin color complexion but by the tongue in which one speaks, but that the tongue in which one speaks also has a sex gender. All right, so we're going to give you an explanation of the tribe, and we call it race biological formula sex gender because some tribes are not biracial, they're not multiracial, they're not multilinguist, or they're not multi-ethnic. So we're going to put that one up there because the reason why it is a race biological formula is because Puerto Ricans come from a formula of diversity in its multitude of, in a historical sense, from Europe, from Spain, from Africa, from the Middle East. So that's why we call it race biological formula, sex gender for Puerto Ricans. Okay, to start. 1. Ephraim is a nation, and Ephraim has a language. Then it is the number 2, nation Edomite, which is Semitic Canaanite language associated with the Afro-Asiatic language. 3rd, tribe, Arawak Taino. This is language and race. Okay, now we will go forward with Visigoth Romanized. Visigoth Romanized was Visigoth Europe, and they mixed. So in conclusion, it is a 2-nation, 1 tribe, 1 indigenous Canaanite. And it is also, okay, 2 tribe Joseph. Because under Israel, it is 2 tribes. So overall, the Ephraim tribe is 2 nations, 3 tribes, 1 indigenous Canaanite. The name also associated with our tribe is Shabbalah. That is the name in which Ephraim Tainos are called under. Remember, you see how they call orcs for Turks? This is for us is Shabbalah. That is the Ephraim Puerto Rican tribe. Oh, yes, I also mentioned that the reason why it is also gender-based linguist, it is because Israel called parts of her brother Edom and Gomorrah, which means that one is brother and one is sister. So keep that in mind. While you're studying biological linguists in regards to whether you speak a female language or whether you speak a male language. And this is how God is evolutionized.